Mr. Pranav Sanghvi. He is the Managing Director and founder of Green Apple Private Limited. He has over 18 years of experience in the construction industry. His expertise is in developing innovation facade products, and he also holds many patents for the same. His innovations include BIPV solar glass facades, 4 thick, slimmest dry cladding, natural stones, flexible stones, and many more products for construction industry. He will present a talk on low maintenance facade for Monsoon. So let's welcome Mr. Pranav.
So we are right now talking on the product called Green Apple Stone Boards. These are just 4 thick stones which can be dry cladded on a facade. So you can see this. This is the Phoenix Palladium Mall, which is one of the landmarks in Mumbai. We have done the natural stone in 4 thick on this facade around 7 years ago. This facade is as it is right now also, and it has no maintenance. Because this is a 100% natural stones, you don't require any maintenance. And on the natural stone, we have done a special coating, which will not allow any moisture, any water to seep in. Plus, it will not even allow to stay on the stone. So there is no maintenance because there is no fungus, no algae. Even this will stop the pollution stains on the facade, which is one of the very important point when you design a facade, when you do applications on a facade. The biggest problem here, the cities like Mumbai, is pollution. So even the pollution stains cannot affect this kind of facade. This facade is also salt water resistance. So again, the places like Mumbai and all the coastal regions, we have a biggest problem is we have salt in our air, which damages most of the facades. So you will have black spots, white spots. You can see anywhere in the on the facade there, because one of the major reasons is because of the salt in the air. So by doing a special coating on this, which is our patented product, there is no salt deposition also happening on the facade. So you can see this. These are 100% natural stones, which are just 4 thick, and they are dry cladded on the facade. Dry cladding is a very important aspect of a facade, because by doing dry cladding, we solve a lot of issues regarding the leakage, seepages, and also the maintenance part. So when you do a dry cladding, you take the actual stone away from the wall. So we keep some gap, right from 50 to even 500 gap from the facade. You can see this facade is having more than 500 gap from the actual wall. So whatever, if in future, if there are any leakages or seepages happening, it will not affect their actual wall, which is behind the facade. So this is for the mall. Again, a mall, very important thing for a mall is they require a product which is for a lifetime or a very long life. Most of the products available in the market has at least life of, you can say, between 5 years to 15 years or 20 years on a higher side. But you know what happens after 15 years or 20 years? You always have a lot of maintenance after some years. Again, you need to keep on cleaning the facade. You might even replace the facade, which is one of the very difficult part to replace. But we have a product where you can use this, and this is a forever. Once you install this facade, you will not face any issues of maintenance. You will not face any issues of leakage, no maintenance, there is no fungus. So you don't need to clean the facade. Even this coating and the product allows less amount of dust deposition on this. So even just by just spraying the water, you can completely clean a facade. Plus, you can use this product with combinations with glass and many other products as well. So this is one of the installation of Palladium Mall on the back side. You can see the product which is installed away from the wall. You can plus even create different designs, different finishes on your facade. So this is the final facade after the installation is done. So you can do a lot of different designing elements, which is one of the very important things for any facade. If you see in any country across the globe, if you go to any developed countries like United States of America, you go to Germany, you even go to China, you will not find most of the buildings who are commercial or residential will have a facade. the painting is very outgrown product in the industry now. So most of the buildings, everyone opts for facade because they are low in maintenance. They saw a lot of problems of leakages, seepages, and you can even add a lot of elements by using the facade, different facade products. So as a Green Apple company, we have many more facade products, right from natural stones to fiber cement boards to artificial stones, which can solve a lot of issues even in designing part, even in the maintenance part. All our products are absolutely no maintenance. They just need very minimum maintenance or completely zero maintenance to the facade, and they are very easy to install, and they give one of the best aesthetic looks on the facade. So for Monsoon, it is very important whenever we apply a facade, we need to seal the joints, which is one of the very critical part. We can use to seal the joints, we can use silicone, which is one of the very common product in the market, or we can even use epoxy based adhesives or epoxy based grouts, which can fill the grooves between the two products and completely stop any water leakages. And this product are completely eco-friendly as well, because we are using very thin layer of stone compared to a normal natural stone, which are thicker than 20 mm also. These are very light in weight. Even if there is any accident or something happens, even if this falls down, it will not hurt any human being. It will not damage anything. These are very easy to even replace, because you can remove a single piece and you can replace another piece with this. As it's a natural stone, you don't need to go and find a different stone, or these stones are available since last 100 years and it would be available for next 200 years also. So it's very easy to reinstall and change the facade if there is any damages. These stones are completely very difficult to break, and they are completely very easy to install because these are very lightweight stones. So taking to a higher levels is also very easy for the stones. So I wanted to ask if anyone has any questions regarding any maintenance part, any application part, or anything on the stone. I can conclude any facade requirements. We have a lot of innovative products. So we have a complete solution for all kinds of facades, right from dry cladding to wet cladding products. We have nearly 8 to 10 different products for complete facade solution. They can contact us. Thank you so much.